Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a Venmo account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to create a Venmo account, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar type in Venmo and look for an app icon like this on your search list and tap on the app. Then simply tap on the get option, and then once downloaded, all you gotta do is tap on open, and then once you open it up, what you need to do is choose the sign up option from email, number, Facebook and Apple ID if you're using your iPhone. Then once selected, all you gotta do is enter your full details like legal name, email address, phone number and password. Then next is to verify your number. Venmo will text you a 6-digit verification code. All you gotta do is enter it in the app, and then once you enter it, all you gotta do now is go to the 3 horizontal bar menu and then select settings, then select payment method and then select add bank card, and then follow the prompts to link your preferred bank or payment method. Then lastly, add a profile picture and username, and then accept Venmo's terms and privacy policy. Once you agree, your account is ready to use. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you had, and see you soon on the next one.